guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to my channel. Today I have Miss Coco.
Hello.
Introduce yourself, girl. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Coco. As you can tell, I'm ready. I'm so ready.
She ready. Please subscribe if you're a newcomer to my channel. I'm trying to build my glitter gang, my family here. So hit that little subscribe button, the bell notification to know when I upload a video. And please like, share, comment. Just show me some love.
Definitely.
Show me some love.
Love all the way.
Right? So today we have a reaction video. Our friend in LA, we love LA, and she decided to send us some snacks we've never tried, and you know, we some Canadian girls.
Yeah,
that's it. So we're gonna try some new ones. I think one of them is already here. That's okay. I've never tried it. She loved it.
Yes, I am like a junkie for this snack. You'll see in a moment. It's
exactly.
Like, good.
But girl, before we start, let's cheers, because you know I always have my wine or any kind of alcoholic drink. Any alcoholic drink.
It is so good. Would you like a taste? All right. Subscribe first.
Open up. All right. So what do you want to try first?
Let's try. I'm feeling a little chippy today.
Want to do the chips first?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have original guac chip.
Guacachips?
Guacachips?
No, I think it's Guacachips.
I am not sure, but guacachip.
Yeah.
So, just avocado chips or guacamole flavored chips. That sounds pretty direct.
Yeah.
It's by El Sabroso. Delicioso. Snacks Delicioso. El Sabroso Snacks Delicioso.
Right.
The dips in the chip. I feel like I've heard that saying before. The dips in the chip.
I think so.
Here, so you take one and then we're going to try it at the same time.
Right.
I love guacamole, so I'm like this. We should have done a chip stir.
Oh yeah.
Let's do a chip stir. Come on.
I ate the whole chip.
This is good. Oh, there's another one. Girl, this is good.
So, out of 10?
Oh, a 10.
Okay. No, because you love guac, obviously. So.
It's not a strong flavor, and it's not too salty. It's a nice, light, refreshing, like light guac taste. Chip cheers.
Chip cheers. Yeah.
I will definitely be eating this. We gonna bring it. We're going out to a 90s party today. If you see my hair, my wig, I got my hat.
Go girl.
So we're gonna be eating that in the Uber.
Yes. Oh man. It's good. I can't believe we don't have this here.
You know what? We have something similar that I've seen at the gas station. I don't know if it's by Doritos, but it's an avocado chip. And it's a stronger flavor than this.
I've never seen it.
I've never seen it again. I bought it once. Either it's that good, but I've never seen it again.
Whoever knows where we can find Guacachips in Canada, please let us know.
Yep. Comment below, please.
That was pretty good.
So, oh yeah, gotta wash it down.
Man, that's good.
All right. So something sweet now?
Yes, please.
So we have Nips Butter Rum. Rich and hard candy. Oh, that's not even what it says. It says rich and creamy hard candy. 30 calories per piece. Like, that's amazing. Yeah, I know we're gonna like this already too.
Yeah.
This is a winner. It's individually wrapped, so perfect. Of course, we gotta do a candy chair. Candy chair. Candy chair.
Chair. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Wait, I forgot to do my robot. Candy chair. Candy
I can't do a robot, so I'm gonna do.
Oh yeah.
This seems hard.
That's what she said.
I'm not and I'm not a fan of hard candies. Cause I don't like having to suck too long. You know? Oh god, it's really hard.
It's something that if you're in traffic, this will be good. It'll just keep you awake. Or if you're going home after a long day, working or if you're going to the club. Like me, I drive solo, so I need loud music. This will be good. Because I can just drive, have my rum, and watch all these fools on the highway just do some stupidness, and I'll just make it home safe and sound.
You know what? It's good though.
Mm-hmm.
It does taste like butter rum.
Yeah, but not like a strong rum.
No.
Like you know how they have rum and raisin ice cream and stuff? Like that kind of rum.
That's exactly what it tastes like. Rum and raisin ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
You hit it on the nail. Yeah. Does that make sense? You hit it on the nail? Or you hit the nail on the head?
We hitting something.
You know what? If you know the saying, put it down below.
Yep.
Alright, this is good. Yeah.
And this is by who?
Stuck to my teeth. Nips.
Okay. Nips.
60 calories per 2 pieces. They're
No, per
each. No, 60 calories per 2 pieces.
Oh, yes. Right.
So 30 plus 30 equals 60. Alright, so next, we'll leave the last salty
Okay.
for the last. Or the salty for the last, because we eat salt. Alright. So this is the one we were talking about.
Oh my god. Nutter butter!
That's why it's called Nutter Butter. Because it's some nuts.
Woo!
So I know you guys already know, especially you Americans. I don't know if like they have it in Europe or other. I'm not really sure. Once again, let us know. We have questions. We're asking you questions.
If they have this in Europe, I will be moving there because those men over there are fine. So Nutter Butter and fine, that dude.
Well, I did see them here in Toronto in a convenience store.
Really?
So now they have them here. So this is not going to be anything special to everyone who's already tried it. But I've never tried it.
It's good.
So
it's good.
We'll see what
good.
the hype is.
Yes, it is hype. Look, I'm even looking at it and I'm just like, girl,
It
that
comes in a little tray. I like that. And this is 120 calories per 2 cookies.
hell no, am I eating 2 cookies?
But that's not. Oh, is that bad? Really? Well,
So 60 calories a cookie. But in my case, I'll probably eat the whole pack.
Yeah, you will. Oh, we didn't rate the nips.
Oh yeah, so
I don't like hard, chewy candy, but it is a delicious taste. I'll rate it like a 7 because I don't like hard, chewy candy. But the taste is good. Oh, let's wash down. I know I keep forgetting. What is wrong with me? Yeah. Sorry if I look a little shiny, but a bitch is hot. Alright.
oh yes.
Okay. Nutter cheers.
Woo! This is that good shit right there.
That's good.
This is it. Right? Welcome to my world. The Nutter Butter. Right?
Right, yeah. This is
Now you
good.
see what I do?
Yeah.
I had this shipped to me from my friend in California, and I always tell myself I'm only gonna eat 2 cookies a day. Let me tell you, this package lasts me what? 1 day. This little package.
But you know what? I thought there was more. It looks like there would be more in here than what actually comes in. I don't know. I thought more would be in it, but this is delicious, and we do have it here. So, yeah.
Damn, girl.
That is delicious. I'm not gonna lie. I quite enjoyed that one.
I feel like making love. No, just okay, see that.
Okay. All right, so let's do. You want to do the Kit Kat?
Yeah, let's do the
So I have a story about this Kit Kat. It's been in my freezer because we got sent these snacks a while ago.
Oh my gosh.
And we wanted to shoot this video a few weeks ago but couldn't. Things came up. And I forgot it in my freezer until about a half an hour ago. So the smart, genius, university going woman that I am decided to put it in the microwave. After 2 seconds of snap, crackle, and pop, this is what happened.
Oh my god. It looks like a latex wrapper on chocolate.
Yeah. It melted a little bit into the chocolate, so we shall be eating a little bit of chemicals and plastic. But you know what? We gonna survive.
Right?
This is called the Kit Kat crisp wafers, obviously, so Kit Kat. And it's strawberry flavored. Chocolate covered strawberry flavor.
And it says flavor of California. So.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay. So I'm guessing this is authentic to California because that's what our friend told us. A few of these snacks are. This is quite messy because now you won't go melt. Like, how does that make sense? All right. Oh, this is really melted now.
Oh no. Well, it'll melt in my mouth, not in my hand.
Yeah, you love Kit Kat. Well, everyone loves Kit Kats.
Chocolate is like chocolate.
Look at that.
Oh no.
All right, guys. It's coming. It's coming. Just be patient. Just be patient. Okay. All right. So you just want to take a... Oh my god, this is a mess here.
Dang, and how many seconds?
Literally 2 seconds. 2 seconds made this happen. Oh, okay, there's
my broke up piece.